Good morning. This is courtroom 332, Judge Aliyah, Sabree. We are live on YouTube and we are on the record. I briefly spoke to Ms. Jordan and Mr. Johnson. I'm sorry, Ms. Johnson and Mr. Jordan that an attorney will be present, and I discussed with them the option if they wanted to move forward without an attorney. We have Ms. Nance here, who is going to be your attorney today. Can you state your name for the record, please, Ms. Nance? Oh, let me unmute you. I'm sorry, I had you muted.
I'm sorry. Good morning, y'all. Please support Jeanette Nance, 68686, serving as House Counsel. Good morning.
Good morning to you. So, Ms. Johnson and Mr. Jordan, because Ms. Nance is here now, I'm going to give you all an opportunity to speak to her privately. So I'm going to put you all in breakout rooms so that you can speak to her about your case and how you want to move forward, okay?
All right.
Ms. Nance, I'm going to scan over the files to you, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Can you please put in the messaging your email address?
Yeah, I certainly can.
And we have an offer for Ms. Johnson, so I'll send you on to the room first, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Did you receive my email address in the private chat?
I did.
Okay, very good.
My computer just went blank. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
All right. Okay, this is Ms. Nance's email address. Can you scan over first Ms. Johnson's file? Really, all we need is just these two. Thank you. Perfect timing. Okay, I'm going to put Ms. Johnson and Ms. Nancy in the breakout room now. We need that offer on Mr. Jamie Jordan. I don't think you had the file yesterday. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Got everything rolling. We're on.
You're live.
Just so you know. Huh?
My mom would want to tune in, see the whole thing.
I haven't told my mom.
Very smart.
I handed it to you because my name is in here. So can you
For the time.
for the time?
I'll just sit. So you can do it again. Oh, thank you. Yes, I just like
They should have all our names and all the computers.
right.
I have
instead
to
of
tell
just-
you. So
So we're getting off on the other file.
This isn't on review, this says it's on review, and I didn't see on the document. That's why you make it offer.
What is it, ROA? Is there ROA in here?
No.
Okay, let's figure out when this court date is. We can take care of it today since he's here. If we get a correct, or get some correct information.
for a little bit.
Oh, this is the wrong back, that's like, I'm trying
So he is on there?
He's not on, yeah, I'm not looking at right now. That's where you look.
The whole.
Oh, Jamie Jordan, he is, okay, first.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, he's the second, okay.
And it's not on review, it's for retrial or something?
Oh, yeah, back to the original question. The ROA for this case, the second case, Jamie Jordan?
Yes.
I think that we can, do you need that? If you have an extra one.
I can print you one.
Oh, that'd be great, thank you. That's, I, but some of your sources.
It's on here as an arraignment on the.
And do you have an afternoon today? And you want offers, like, right now?
So it's a long document,
Okay.
so if you wanna write them now, it's up to you, do that, or if you wanna wait to actually pause it now. So whatever, however you do it.
Okay. Yeah, he put on this in January of 17.
Oh, good, okay, so.
Mhm. Can you check your files for this afternoon? Yes. Okay, thank you. Out of order. So it's not in order.
Mr. Jordan, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, I just invited you to go into a breakout room so that you can speak to your attorney. She'll be in there shortly.
yeah.
Can you send this over to, or scan this?
Yes.
starting to get the hang of all of this? As best as you can in 3 days?
It's just taking a long time to get through one case.
I believe, oh, exactly.
So we have actually everyone calling.
So that's, is it slow just because, like, it just is a slow process, or we just don't know it yet, or both? That makes sense.
I think because also people calling in, that explaining what's going on.
Oh, totally.
But scanning files over.
That's, but probably doing it for sure now, right?
Or attorney who just small level.
Right. That's a lot of expertise.
We'll see this afternoon, we have a page and a half. Like 2 pages.
But there haven't been that many people calling us so far, right?
Once we've had in the afternoon, 2, not 2, 9. Yeah,
Guys?
yeah.
Okay, just a beginning. What? Oh. So, I got the bulletin board right now.
Okay, Ms. Myers, what was your number again?
8306.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How's all this been for you? Is it harder to make a record? Or,
A little bit, but I'm dealing with
that's, I think the best answer, the best you could do.
it. Right. But that's why I'm coming in, rather than doing it from home,
Oh, okay, oh,
because I feel like I've got, I can, first of all, the screen is way bigger, so I
totally.
can see people.
That's a good point.
And second of all, I don't want to take the chance of something happening equipment-wise,
Totally, yeah.
so
So you could have, like, you would do.
I have the option to Zoom as
Oh,
well.
okay.
More coming in. I feel more comfortable coming in. I think I'm probably like one of very few board members that's actually coming in.
I'm not feeling that.
Yeah.
Oh, that, I think would be way easier to do.
All, exactly.
I was kind of ready to get out of the house. Exactly.
Yeah,
A little
too.
bit.
Yep.
Madam Clerk, we are back.
You're back, the judge stepped out for a minute.
Okay. Is it possible for you to send me into the breakout room with Gordon?
Yes, I'll let her know when she comes back.
I think
Okay,
she already,
thank you.
You put them in one? Yeah, she said she'll be there in a minute. I was informed that she put them in there already. She put them in the room already.
Okay, I'll join. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, I'll just wait. I think she put him back in the waiting room. He's not in the breakout room.
okay. Ms. Nance, do you want to talk to Mr. Jordan first or handle Ms. Johnson's case?
Whatever the court's preference.
Okay, we'll take care of Ms. Johnson.
Okay?
Okay, calling case P10509666, the people versus Lynn Sharon Johnson, one count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearance?
Janecki Nance, P68686, appearing on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, would you please state your name for the record?
Lynn Johnson.
Good morning again, Ms. Johnson.
Good morning.
Your today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. We ask that any cases be set aside and any warrants recalled.
Okay, I will set aside any warrants.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Your Honor, Ms. Johnson had an opportunity to discuss her matter. At this time, she is respectfully requesting that the court continue her not guilty plea and to set this matter for a bench trial. I've had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Johnson regarding the differences between a jury trial and a bench trial, which would be held by the court. And she's advised me that she would like to have a bench trial. Is that correct, Ms. Johnson?
Yes.
Okay, now, Ms. Nance, because of the new technology and us having to do everything remotely, the earliest court date we can have for an in-person trial date is 60 days out.
Ms. Johnson, do you understand? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, go ahead, Ms. Nance.
Ms. Johnson, do you understand what the judge has just said?
Yes.
Okay. Are you okay with having an in-person court date 60 days out?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, we're fine with that.
Okay, we have something from the city.
In city register for the people, P2072, if it would be possible if I could talk to defense counsel somehow privately, maybe we can come to a resolution before this. There's just a few things I need to know about this if we want to move to trial.
Okay, is there, wait, you couldn't remotely speak to her?
I mean, I have my computer upstairs and everything. I haven't Zoomed at all.
Okay.
If it's possible for Madam Prosecutor to zoom into the courtroom, maybe then you can put me and her in a private chat, a private room.
Right, that would be ideal. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah, I mean, I think so. I've Zoomed on meetings before. I just haven't Zoomed for
I can give you the Zoom
All right.
number here. Okay, so Ms. Johnson, The prosecutor on this case is going to speak to your attorney to see if we can come to a resolution today, okay? And Ms. Nance can talk to you about that in more detail after she speaks with the prosecutor, or if she wants to speak to you now, however that wants to work. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. I'm giving you the Zoom instructions. Ms. Nance, do you want to take care of Mr. Jordan first while,
I can, Your Honor.
okay. So I'm going to send you to a breakout room. I did send you his file already, okay?
Yes, I do have it. Thank you.
And Ms. Johnson, just hold tight, okay?
All right. Oh,
Thank you.
And, Your Honor, I just want to make sure it is Mr. Jordan or Mr. Johnson.
I'm sorry, Mr. Jordan.
Okay.
Maybe Jordan.
Okay.
Oh, I mean, I can do it from my office.
Okay, I didn't know if you would have issues.
I don't think a lot of people are there. If there are, I'll come back.
Okay.
All right. I don't need a password or anything, just this.
Yep, that's all.
Okay.
Do you need the file or you're good?
I mean, no,
Remember what it-
yeah, you know what I'm gonna ask. Oh.
That was easy.
All right, I'm happy to see you guys.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm going to set up another breakout room for you or do you want to go in with Ms. Johnson or just with Ms. Nance?
Probably just Miss Nance.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Nance. I'm sorry, I have you muted. Let me unmute you. There we go.
Okay, we are ready on Mr. Jordan. If the court's ready, I don't know if Madam Prosecutor had set up on Zoom to have a private discussion with me regarding Mr. Brown, but we are ready to go on Mr. Jordan.
Okay, Ms. Rogers is set up, but we can handle Mr. Jordan quickly.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, calling case U 3122516, the people versus Jamie Perez Jordan. One count of possessing a replica and or facsimile firearm. Today is actually, it's an arraignment on the bench warrant, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, appearance?
Janecki Nance appearing on behalf of Mr. Jordan. Mr. Jordan, would you please state your name for the record?
Jamie Jordan.
Good morning, Mr. Jordan.
Good morning.
Your Honor, today is the day time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. We ask that any cases be set aside, any warrants recalled.
Okay, I will set aside any cases or set aside any warrants.
Your Honor, this is a matter where previously Mr. Jordan, back on January 10th of 2017, actually pled guilty before Judge Wright to the charges. He was required to make a payment, and it was scheduled to be up under a delayed sentence. During that time, Mr. Jordan made a payment. It was on March 13th, 2017. He did it over the system, not down at the court, but online on a system. After speaking with Mr. Jordan, it appears that he thought he put in a total amount of $225, which was the total amount for the cost and fees. He only wound up putting $25 in. Therefore, when the payment was not made in full at the review date, a warrant was issued for his arrest. Mr. Jordan was unaware that a warrant was out for 2 years regarding this matter, because he thought he made the whole payment when he in fact did not. When he was made aware of the warrant, he did post a bond in the amount of $250. At this time, what we're asking the court to do is, because he has an outstanding balance of $200, to apply the bond posted on this matter towards the cost and fees. We also understand that at the time, back in 2017, this matter was being considered under a delayed sentence. We do know at this time I am aware that it could go, the court could deny it, but he is asking the court to consider doing 771 delays as well.
Okay, so I will, Mr. Jordan, apply your bond for one, okay?
Okay.
I will reinstate your delayed sentence and allow for this to be dismissed from your criminal record and close out the matter. So you are all set. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, you are all set. Have a good day.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Mhm.
Now, Ms. Nance, we have another issue. My